And joining us now at the Legal Hub is our legal correspondent, Arlene Richards. Arlene, there's been a lot of talk about the significance of the swing states in this election. There's also been a lot of election laws changed at the state level since 2020, and with that, a lot of lawsuits being filed. What are some of the most significant issues?
Well, the two issues that are really pressing right now are mail-in ballots and voter rolls. So let's talk about mail-in ballots. Now, these cases are being filed in every swing state. So what are they saying about them? Well, the Republicans are saying invalid ballots should be tossed. If they don't have the proper postmark or the date or they're not in a sealed envelope, then they should be tossed. Democrats are saying that we need to ensure that all legally registered voters can vote. If they are citizens and they have a valid ID and they've registered to vote, then their votes should count. Now, the courts are largely agreeing with the Democrats, but Republicans have won several cases. For example, in Pennsylvania, the court ruled that ballots without a date must be rejected. So in this case, Republicans or Democrats actually challenged this rule, and the judge said that it's too close to the election, and so this rule will stand. But they also ruled that voters have to have an opportunity to cure the undated ballots. So one win for the Republicans and another win for the Democrats.
All right, and what about the voter rolls? What have both sides been saying about that?
So we've talked about mail-in ballots. Now we'll get into voter rolls. So these cases also have been filed in every swing state. Now, Republicans are saying we need to remove ineligible voters from the voter rolls. They're saying if they're not a citizen, if they've moved out of the state, or if they haven't been active for a long time, then they need to be removed from the rolls. Democrats are saying it's too late to remove voters from the voter rolls. There is a federal law that says you can't make any major changes to the voter rolls within 90 days of the election. So now it's too late. And the courts are largely agreeing with the Democrats. Now, we have a court in North Carolina recently ruled that you can't purge voters. Republicans had said that the state had failed to purge 225,000 voters that they didn't ensure were eligible to vote. And the judge said that the state had actually investigated and didn't find any problems. So these are some of the cases that have been filed, that have been continued to be filed across all of the swing states. They could be coming up again post-election if there are any challenges to the election results.
All right, a lot to look at here, Arlene. Thank you so much for that update.
All right, thank you.